This is question 13 on the Unit 2 foundation paper from June 2011. It's all about prime numbers. It says the number 57 can be written as the product, which means multiplying or timesing together two prime numbers, 3 and 19. They're both prime numbers and they've been times together. There are only two of them and they make this 57. We've got to find three other numbers between 50 and 60, so that's from 51 up to 59. That can be written down in that way. And we must show the products, we must show the timesing. Right, no easy way of doing it other than just starting off at the beginning and working through. So the first number we can try between 50 and 60 is 51. So can we get 51? Is anything times by anything? I did mention earlier on that because 5 and 1 add up to 6 and 3 goes into 6, I do know that 3 will go into 51. Now how many times will 3 go into 51? Well, there's a clue up here. 57 is 19 threes. So if I count 3 back from 57, I'll get 54 is 18 threes. So 51, which is another 3 back, will be 17 threes. So there are two numbers that times together to get 51. Now, are they prime numbers? 3 is a prime number. They've already used it up here. 17, that's a prime number as well. It's a prime number because the only way you can get 17 from your times tables is 1 times 17, or the other way around, 17 times 1. No other way of doing it, that means it's prime. Okay, let's look at the next number in our possible list. If we move up again, it'll be 52. So what can we times 52? Well, what can we times together to get 52? It's an even number, so it's only 2 times by something. And you might remember packs of playing cards have 52 cards. That's 4 lots of 13 or 2 lots of 26. So 52 is 2 lots of 26. That's a prime number too. It's the only even prime number, so that's okay. But 26 could be broken down. 26 is 2 times by 13. So 26 isn't prime, so that line hasn't worked because not both the numbers weren't prime numbers. So 52 hasn't worked. So we move up to 53. What can we times together to get 53? Now 53, you might struggle to think of it, but there's no numbers that go into 53. 53 is a prime number. There are no two numbers you can use. So 53, not helpful. Let's move on to 54. 54 is an even number. 2 will go into it. Now we knew 52 was 26 twos. Was just one more 2 above it? So instead of being 26 twos, it'll be 27 twos. Then we've got to say, are these prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, but 27, that's 3 times by 9. So that can be split up. So that one doesn't help us because this isn't a prime number. Move on. 55. What goes into 55? 5 goes into 55. How many times does 5 go into 55? Well, 10 5s are 50. This is 11 5s. 5 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. So we'll stick with those. That's what we want. It can be written down as two prime numbers multiplied together. Keep going. Next one's 56. It's going to be 2 times by, well, we had 26 here, 27 here, it'll be 28 here, and 28 is 4 7s. So we can split that up again. It's not going to be that one. So keep going. Next will be 57. 57. What goes into 57? Well, we knew from here 3. Well, actually, no, so we've got 57 here, haven't we? So they've done 57, so we're skipping that one. It's not one we have to look at, they've already done it. So we move on next to 58. 58 we know is going to be 2 lots of, we've had 26, 27 and 28, so this will be 29. 2 lots of 29. 2 is a prime number. We have to decide whether or not 29 is a prime number. And there's no number that goes into 29. So 29 is a prime number, so that one works. So the answers we have, we were looking for 3 of them. We had 51, which is 3 times by 17. We had 55, which is 5 times 11. And we had 58, which is 2 times by 29. Those are our 3 pairs of numbers, or our 3 timesing sums that give us the answer to that question.